How to transfer money from Walmart Money Card to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to transfer money from Walmart Money Card to Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. After that, tap on the profile icon that appears at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section or page of the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. Once you are here, scroll down through the different options that are found here and look for one named Linked Banks. Tap on it. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. On this screen, you are in the Linked Banks menu, where you can view your existing payment methods or add new debit cards and bank accounts to your profile. Tap Link New Debit Card to proceed to the entry screen. This will allow you to type in your card details so you can transfer funds instantly or send payments through your account. So, go ahead and enter your card details. At the bottom, there is an option named Link Card. Make sure you tap on it. The card then gets linked. Once you have done that, come back to the home page of the app. On the main home page, you are at the central screen where you can view your balance and manage your account options. Tap the Money tab, the bank icon or balance total located in the bottom left corner of the display, to open your balance options. Next, tap Add Cash, then type or select the exact dollar amount you want to transfer from your connected card. Finally, tap Add at the bottom and confirm the transaction using your PIN or Touch ID/Face ID to move the funds directly into your balance. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to transfer money from Walmart Money Card to Cash App.